for sale this week than last report, though it's actually quite negligible. And these are going under contract in 5 median days, 1 day longer than last report. It's Friday, April 26, 2024, and the kickoff to the Annapolis Spring Roadshow. So be careful out there and be kind amongst the traffic and boat tourists this weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Yep, homes are going under contract quickly, and sellers are getting multiple offers. If you caught this week's Maryland Market Minute, you understand the implication of burning of the market. If not, be sure to watch it because it doubly applies to Annapolis. Homeowners in distress and doing nothing to avoid losing their home to foreclosure. The only excuse is inaction, because there's a very good chance that you can sell the home and walk away intact. Now, my mentioning foreclosure has nothing to do with a rise in foreclosures. There are always homeowners who get into situations where they are unable to make their housing payments, and this has nothing to do with the market. So don't get the idea that we have lots of homes going into foreclosure. Far from it. And as I just said, the only excuse that these homes go into foreclosure is that the homeowner is not seeking competent help and advice. In fact, most of those who lose their homes lack understanding of the process, what they can do. They get bad advice, or they just bury their heads in the sand hoping that the problem will just go away. And it will, along with your home, your credit, and probably some of your possessions. But I digress. If you are a homeowner having a hard time right now for whatever reason, reach out to me now before it's too late. Meanwhile, there are a total of 108 homes for sale in all Annapolis zip codes, up only nominally. 31 homes are poised to hit the market soon, while 31 went under contract since last report ended 5 days. Those 31 effectively canceled out. Those 31. 37% for sale in Annapolis are priced over $1 million. And here's some crazy stuff. 6% are priced over $2 million. The median price to live here in Annapolis pushed up to $862,500. But if you are a mature senior adult, 14 of those homes for sale are in age-restricted communities with a median price point of $409,450. 25 homes sold since the last report at 101.7% list to sold ratio. There are fewer rental homes available, only 26 at a median $3,068 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 26, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week.